for find a duplicate words. How to find a duplicate words in given sentence? Like the somebody given a sentence like that, and say how to find a duplicate words. To need to find a duplicate word. First, we need require to count. Initialize the count first. What comes in mind? Count. Now we need require to first for loop. Go for length. Calculate the string lengths. First, we need require given string to split and storing the list. And now start the first for loop. Zeros start by I is equal to 0 and go for check the length and I increment. Now count will be initialized inside the first for loop and start second for loop. Second for loop we need require first word and B and check the second word. We require I plus 1 and j less than what's the length j plus plus. Now we need to check first string and second string. Both are equals or different. Equals Java in provide inbuilt function check the strings words. Now need to count increment if check. After checking count increment and because we have shared the 0 uh, avoid the printing for visited words. If first visited the words in big, then no need to go for again big words. To be write second for loop words j of is equal to 0 is sign. Now we need to display if count greater than sorry count greater than 1 and words of I greater than 0, then need to display duplicate words. Okay, words wrong. Now we have run. Here is so 0 because we have checking the equals not. We have check if not equals to 0. Here is display words. I am removing this because it's so very. Now we run again. Here is so big Java. These two words is repeated in given sentence. Let's say big one times, two times, and Java one times, two times, three times. Means big and Java what will be printed in different in many times. So let's see the output. Big and Java is duplicate word in given sentence. Okay guys, this is a code. Thank you.